All right, then let's give this a try. Yeah, that'll work. Let's switch glasses here. I'll just hold this camera in my teeth and do some onboard footage here. All right, we're still running. All right, there we are. A little bit of whitewater kayaking for you here today on Dead Wolf Lake. All right, see you soon on the next one. We'll have this kind of fun. Thanks for being there, everyone. Well, not exactly whitecaps today, but it's close. Catching some good waves, having some fun out here. All right, see you later. Thanks for being there.